Becoming a business owner is exciting, rewarding, and incredibly tough. I know that because I'm right there with you. I remember the early days of Kimbley IT, starting out with a clear vision, but quickly realizing that the technical side of the business, the stuff that's supposed to just work, often is the very thing that holds you back. After helping business owners navigate the world of technology and remote work for years, I can tell you one thing for certain: you're not alone in this frustration. I started this channel because the vast majority of people who get in touch with us are for one reason only: their IT is total chaos. They're bogged down by clunky systems, security fears, and the feeling that their technology is a barrier rather than a tool. I want to create a place where you can get an honest education so you can bring order to that chaos. Running your company should be fun. You want to win new business and attract the best talent, not get stuck fighting old software or unreliable setups. Whether you're working from the office, your home, your local cafe, your IT needs to be functional, secure, and helpful. The stakes are massive. A single security breach can wipe out your credibility and your bank account in one afternoon. On this channel, we show you how to organize your IT so it's bulletproof, giving you the freedom to work anywhere, safe in the knowledge that your business won't miss a beat. This is about professionalizing your foundation so you can actually enjoy the growth you're working so hard for. If you're ready to stop fighting with your IT and start using it to scale, hit the subscribe button. If you want a clear roadmap to turn your current chaos into functional, organized system, book a video call with us using the link in the description.